My name's Collin Parish. I work in the Support Services Center as a driver for maintenance and utilities, meaning that I'm there for anybody and anything they need moving forward. I wake up early, I get to see the sunrise every morning. I usually pack up here at the Support Services Center and go up to the central office, pick up everything they need and deliver to every school. The inter-office mail delivery, anything that SURF needs, anything that pretty much anybody needs. If it's in the mail rooms, I'm taking it. And yeah, it's awesome.
I've worked with Collin since he was in buildings, and now at Support Services, work with him every day. He comes in with a smile on his face every day. He always says hello to whoever is around. I think the biggest thing is, I know he feels like he's doing his job, but he truly takes pride in what he's doing and tries to find ways to make our jobs easier. He's always asking, what do you have for the rest of the day? Can I take something to a building for you? And I know when he gets to the buildings and goes to the libraries, he's asking the media assistants and the specialists what he can do to help them. He wants to put things where it's convenient for them, and that's making our jobs so much easier.
And he's always got a smile on his face. He's willing to go out of his way to do anything to help anybody do anything, whether it's in the pony and making deliveries, or here around the warehouse, or if we need an extra hand doing anything, you know, any trade or anything else.
All the people that you go out and you put on your happy face for, and it shows that everything that you do, it means something to them because they nominated you, and I just found that so humbling.
Hey, good morning, guys. How are you? Are you good? That's what I hear. I keep hearing that about you. Well, as you know, I think it's just wonderful that as my last star award that I will get to do as superintendent, I get to do it here. And I get to do it with the people that I just absolutely love, and you guys know that, I hope, and I appreciate everything you do. But I'm telling you what, Collin, if you could come see me, I would really appreciate it. I think this is amazing. And Collin, your colleagues wrote in about you, the amazing work you do, and I've seen it personally. I've watched this happen early in the morning, late, whatever happens to be. You can always get what we need, where we need to get it done. You are faster than Amazon, by the way. There's no doubt in my mind about it.
I make sure.
You make sure of that one, but you have always done it. You do it with a great attitude, a great smile, and just thank you for always taking care of us. We're so proud that you're our star of the month, and hang on, stars get stars, and so we need to have that too, and so we'll do all those things. So, but thank you. You're amazing, and we appreciate you so much. So congratulations. Congratulations.
Hey, thank you so much.
You are so welcome.
Awesome.
And thank you guys for stopping your work and giving it all up for a few minutes so that you could come celebrate with us. So thank you for that too.